25 CR 002278. State versus Adam Hernandez Quintana. Can I have parties announce?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
Roberto and Racino for the defense.
And are you Mr. Quintana? Counsel, have you received all discovery?
I have.
Did you review it with your client?
We did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Quintana, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Well, there's an oral amendment, Your Honor,
Yes.
and it is in the second to last line at the end of that line where it reads cause number 2022 CR 084. That should read 2022 CR 0824, adding the two.
Any
There'll be no
objections? Do you have any objections to that amendment? All right. Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Do you understand you're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more convictions as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Quintana, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with his attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There haven't.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
No objection.
State, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, so the court will review the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Why are you continuing to steal? What's going on?
I'm in the street. I was in the streets. I've been in the street for a minute.
Yeah.
It's getting harder out there.
Well, here's the thing. Whenever you can't use it as I need something and use it as an excuse to steal, because guess what? You're going to be in and out of prison, in and out of jail. How old are you? 37. And the reason why you're in felony court is because you've stolen at least 2 times before. And now I've read in the reports, the item you stole was $3.13. And now you're going to prison, well, state jail facility for 180 days. over $3.13. That's pennies per day, and you're giving your life away for that. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to the 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. I'll request the therapeutic community. If there's a drug issue or something else that's going on with you, therapeutic community will address that, okay? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you keep picking up theft cases, it's going to be more state jail felonies. And at some point in Texas, those state jail felonies become habitual. And you're looking at a 20-year sentence. You understand? All right. Oh, and Deputy Laura, Millette needs to go to county court at law number 5 with Judge Key.
I have 14 days.
Oh, whichever Key. Is he in 5 or 14? 14. All right, thanks. All right, so do better. When you get released from custody, if you can't find a place to help you with your drug addiction, if you have one, or housing or something like that, if I'm still here, come back here and I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help you, okay? All right, good luck to you.